Wall Street just got its first pure-play humanoid robot stock, and the race to own the future of labor is officially on. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. Duwald. This is Saturday, June 27th, 2026. In robotics news today, Agility Robotics is going public via a SPAC deal at a $2.5 billion valuation, making it Wall Street's first ever pure-play humanoid robot stock. They've already raised $620 million and secured $300 million in pre-orders. The humanoid robotics market isn't just a research project anymore. It's a publicly traded asset class. Also in robotics, Hyundai is buying out SoftBank's remaining stake in Boston Dynamics for $325 million, giving the South Korean automaker full control of one of the most recognizable names in robotics. With Atlas robots already deployed at BMW factories and the FIFA World Cup, this acquisition is about owning the infrastructure of the coming automation wave. From the autonomous vehicle space, Amazon Zoox just unveiled a redesigned robotaxi engineered specifically for mass production. They're targeting up to 100 vehicles per week out of their Hayward, California plant, with paid rides coming later this year. Waymo has owned this category, but Zoox, backed by Amazon's logistics muscle, is a real challenger worth watching. Also from Figure AI, the company is rolling out its Figure 3 humanoid robot on the BMW factory floor. This follows an 11-month deployment of Figure 2, which helped build over 30,000 vehicles. That's not a demo, that's production. Humanoid robots are no longer a future concept. They're already on the line building cars you can buy today. In AI funding news, General Intuition just raised $320 million at a $2.3 billion valuation, and their training method is unlike anything else out there. They're using billions of real human gameplay clips to teach AI agents how to reason in space and time. The idea? Video games are the world's richest, most varied environment for building genuinely smart AI. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. Duwald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about Wall Street's first humanoid robot stock in the comments, give this video a like, and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.